Okay, this one
is 304.
The benefit of this one is that you still have that side that is the north side that is trees. There is on the west side Van Winkle's there. However, all of the windows and doors have been upgraded to sound insulation. So when we've been in the building units next to us, you can't even hear it right next to Van Winkle. And
Right.
this one's further set back.
Okay.
The other benefit to this one is there's a little bit more natural light on this. Sorry. Okay, so we'll walk through this. The floor plan is basically the same, it's just turned.
Yep.
So,
Again, high ceilings. You're on the 3rd floor on this particular unit.
yeah, so you do see.
This is your kitchen area.
So closet again, L-shaped
Yeah.
kitchen with an island.
Right.
Here.
And then this is your view looking out of this deck and patio, which we can't walk out, but as you can see, really
I don't know if you
pretty.
can get that mountain, it's got a little bit of the scaffolding in the way right
Yeah,
now.
you do
but
kind of see Mount Olympus a little bit.
view,
Yeah. Okay.
And
Again-
then this again is the same floor plan
Right.
as that last one. Mechanical, washer dryer, bedroom, bathroom. Oh, this one has a bathtub in it.
Okay,
now.
nice.
Again,
ooh.
walk-in closet from this other
Right,
unit over
right.
here. Same thing, single vanity, toilet, bathtub, shower.
Right, not a huge bathroom,
pretty
but
normal, full size.
yeah,
or full
washer,
bath.
dryer here,
Nothing crazy.
and then another bedroom, with the closet.
Nice large closet.
Oh,
So
good.
The windows are open, and the screen and the sliding glass door is not open here. You are
Right on
you
Van
are on
Winkle.
Van Winkle, but this is the noise.
So that's your looking out.
And the downside is, I mean, this is the master.
Yeah.
So the benefit of that other one, it doesn't have quite as much natural light, but it's perfectly silent.
Yeah. Again, there's your deck that goes out in the master. And the bathtub is in, so you can kind of get an idea.
Good idea of the size
Oh,
of
wow,
the
that's huge.
tub and the bathroom.
Now, are they going to put tile halfway up the wall just on a backsplash?
Petrofina, and
Okay.
it's a lot of people say that they call it cultured marble, but it is not. It's a solid surface similar to quartz. It's a standard just white,
Okay.
but it's solid, which is nice because there's no
Easy
grout
to
lines.
clean.
Yeah, easy to clean.
Okay. And then this is your
And
walk-in
same with
closet.
the shower.
Okay. All right. Well, those are the 2 units that you were most interested in, and now you have seen the views. And I'm going to go walk in the trailer with her and get anything I can grab and pick her brain on what is included and the colors.